is the end all be all.
Oh, dude, the lean from this angle.
Go, 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 go.
Dude, it looks so good.
How's it going, everybody? I cut my hair. Currently on the way to pick up Rowan. But yeah, currently heading to Rowan's house right now. Gonna pick him up. We're gonna go drop off some stuff from my dad's job. Pick up some trash off the job. And then we're gonna head to Harbor Freight, and we're freaking gonna lean my truck today. We're gonna be putting on like a 2-inch rough country level lift. I don't know what it's called, but we're just gonna put the front keys in and all 4 new shocks. So we'll see how it goes. Okay, guys, we just got done strapping up all this stuff, and we're gonna head over to Buddy's house after we go to the Dumble. This is how it sits.
Well, you can park in my driveway. You got to get a bunch of photos of it.
Just made it up to the stove. I think he's gonna get. How many jacks are you getting? 2?
Just a set of 2.
Yeah, he's gonna get a set of 2. Apparently, he has some sort of deal. Okay, guys, he just got a little monster. We got the torsion bar removal tool or whatever. I just did rent a tool. You basically just pay for it, and then if you come back, they'll refund you all your money. So, what's he doing? Okay, guys, just put it in neutral.
You got a jack point. Well, I want to put the jack stands right there.
He's sitting up high. Did you not have to borrow this impact before?
I have, yeah. I think it was a different one. Put these up on the workbench or something.
They're so hot. Oh, it's off. Remember when you brought a tire to school?
Yeah. Look, I'll put this under there so if the jack stands failed, it would land on the tire, not the brake rotor. Because you'd rather your rim get destroyed than all this. The PB
We
The PB's dripping. I don't want to get it on.
So obviously we're measuring the torsion
the
keys
the
lengths in the bolt so we can get it right and have the alignment correct. Finna just go ahead and back that torsion bolt out.
5/8.
Killer one. Watch that too.
Impact might not have enough power.
Is it not going?
Oh, it's going. It's going.
Oh my gosh. We would have never got that out by hand.
Back in.
Oh, it's so hot.
I wonder if you need Loctite or not.
I don't know. Holy.
They're probably so rusty, they'll probably just hold.
Gotta give it full force.
Dude, it's like bouncing up. Look. Dude, what? Rodent, it has no like.
Don't, bro.
But it doesn't. It's not doing anything. The other one doesn't do that.
That's all they care about.
Is it tight?
Just get in there.
Alright.
So we just pulled the shoe out, and there's currently like tons of pressure on that. You can actually that thing's like crazy heavy duty, but. So now I'm gonna just loosen this key out. It's got tons of pressure, and then we'll go ahead and slide the new ones in. Like.
I can't even hit it.
Yes! What?
Film. We did it.
Oh my gosh, you got the key! Yes! Oh, that took so long.
Do I just leave the torsion bar like sitting in?
Yeah. Oh my gosh.
Dude, let's go.
Look at that key versus this one. So guys, I'm gonna go ahead and hit these front shocks, kind of like show y'all how bad they are when I take them off. He got the second one, guys. Let me see it. What the heck? Dude, those are rust bucket.
We got the torsion bar here, and we push it all the way out, and then you just line up that end and line up this end with your key, and then we got the key sitting like this now. It's all popped in there, and you're ready to get the torsion bar tool, the key remover thingy, and tighten it all up. Hey, Broden, you're missing an exhaust, man. That'll fit.
Go, go, go.
No, it's in there now.
Okay.
Like, put it in
Yeah.
there. Look. And just make sure that's in there good.
And then we good. So we are now putting the bolts back in and putting them in to the correct measurements per side. So it said the driver's side was a 7/8. All right, guys, so we just got the keys in. As I showed y'all, we're finna go eat real quick and then come back, put the shocks in. And yeah, we're gonna be leaning. We're gonna be taking the Lanker. What year is this?
78.
Oh my gosh. This thing's so cool, bro.
Mysterious people on the tools back there. Let it warm up first.
I'll get in the back.
My dad just rebuilt the car. Whenever the train track.
Dude, if you get a wreck in this,
My dad took this
metal.
My dad took this thing downtown the other day.
We're gonna go ahead and break this shock loose. Okay. Wait, don't back it out much.
It's not gonna come out, trust me.
What do you think you're doing? We need to use the PB!
Dude, me and Aiden played a game of Fortnite. Aiden had 13 kills, I had 0, and we won.
I thought he went to sleep.
That was 2 days ago.
Oh.
Dude, I wanna play Fortnite. Alright, it held.
Reporting multiple casualties.
Did it?
That's fucking.
I guess we're just gonna loosen the top nuts to be able to get this out.
That might happen right now. We're taking the lower shock bolt out.
Nobody's gonna die.
Oh, does it have pressure?
Yeah.
Oh, did it come
Really,
out?
come here.
Oh my god, that scared me.
There we go.
Get it out!
Hey, get
Oh
the
my God.
recording.
Dude. Look how
Oh
bad
my
that
gosh!
is. Is there no rebound?
I gotta feel this.
Look, it's. No, look, Broden, just do this.
No, there's something wrong.
Yeah. No, look.
They're not coming back up.
Look how much.
Oh my gosh.
You have
That's
no
why
idea.
they bounce going on DuPont.
Look how much.
Crazy.
Look how much like.
Dude,
play
it's
is.
gonna feel so much different.
They're bent. It's bent to the side, bro. We don't need those, but yeah.
Putting them on here, so it's just easy.
We don't need those, but we'll go with that.
We'll go with that.
Down. That thing down. Just put it on. Miles
Some like hair.
Hold on. Not ready.
What was it?
Slip in there. God. Let me get a better grip.
This is the end all
Let me get a
be
better
all,
grip.
dude.
I want you to grip it. Here, I'll help you a little bit.
This is the end all be all.
Ready?
Pop the black thing off too, on top of it, and then put the bushing on. All right,
Ready?
go.
Yes.
Cut it. Damn it, I'm trying.
Go, 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 go.
Oh, perfect. That's it?
Yeah.
Dang, we should have just done that. What are we thinking?
All right, now y'all are gonna have to be some engineers, dude, and discover how to make that. All right, we're gonna have to do the same thing. Some years of life while doing it. Now I'll just finish up
Here.
this cross.
I don't like how he's holding
Let
out.
me just finish this up.
We just finished this side, guys. That looks so good. This is crazy. Currently,
Better watch out doing that.
Someone get ready to line up that bottom bolt.
Getting the
Broden,
second
go
one.
get that lower bolt. Ooh. I'm letting her down, boys.
boo!
So much beer. Here we go.
Oh my gosh, it's so much higher. Oh my gosh. It's so high.
You gotta get spacers now. Make it all even.
Oh my gosh, yeah, that's gonna clear at 35 easy.
Oh, he's got a reverse light out. Yeah, it looks perfect. Here, be quiet for the video. All right, hold it.
It's so much higher, bro.
And lift up a 5,000 pound.
So just pulled it in, as y'all saw. We're gonna go ahead and just only throw the rear shocks in and just leave it lean.
All the old men might get pissed.
I need a new phone, bro.
Get the breaker bar out.
It won't, bro. We are demanding some heavy duty stuff.
Where's the half inch? Oh, it's over there.
I got splashed by Aiden's truck, dude.
Ready? Hold on.
Hopefully this brake's loose.
Bring her down. Is it bent? All right, go.
What are you doing?
It's going. It's going. It just broke free.
Your hand's moving,
My
bro.
hand's moving. Hold on. Let me get in a better position.
Well, you could just.
Go.
There you go.
Yeah, it's going.
Get a little bit.
There she goes.
Oh.
You're in the way.
Oh, spare. Bent frame. She says when she goes over 60, it just goes the other way.
What? I may.
Oh my gosh.
Here, come put it on film and sliding it out.
Alright.
Oh my. Dude. Oh my gosh, it's destroyed. Currently, he's putting in the new shock, and we'll be done with this first one. Test it. Test it. You got that. There you go.
There we go.
Yeah, I do. Oh my gosh. That thing's got 2 inches of travel.
Huh?
Alright, you ready? Yeah.
Oh my gosh. Put your weight on it like a man.
Alright, go.
It's dusting so much.
Get all the tools out under the truck so you can pull out.
He's stressing out. Oh my gosh.
He's a coal miner. This is the
He is, bro.
aftermath.
Rough country lift does this to a youngin', bro. This is the signal stunners, dude.
Coal miner for
Signal
one day.
stunners.
Bro, we are the signal stunners.
That'd be a good name.
We should do that.
No, not stunners, stun us. Gotta make it like.
Be careful, ma'am.
There, get that one on the left. Ma'am.
Be careful, ma'am.
I'm not a man.
And this one ain't coming out.
Oh yeah, yeah. It is.
Get out from under there. Be careful, dude. All right, drop it. Stat. Get out of the way. Clear.
Oh yeah.
Oh my gosh. Dude, it is leaning.
Fresh.
Oh my god.
Here, wait. Let's see if it squeaks. Let's see if it's like better.
It was the shocks.
Here,
Yes.
look. Here, jump on it.
Bro, oh my gosh. The shocks are fixed.
Dude, it's not squeaky anymore, dude. Oh,
Dude.
yeah, dude. That's the lead screen, but it's not
Yeah.
really that. Look at this angle right here, dude.
Oh, dude, the lean from this angle.
Close, dude.
Hey, I'm gonna go up the driveway. I'll just back down and see.
Dude, it looks so good. Dude, it looks so good.
Dude, it looks good, dude. It looks so. Come out here. Come right here, dude.
Dude, this angle is... So guys, that's gonna be it for today's video. If y'all want to see like a little video of me driving around town, stunting, just kind of getting the experience, let me know in the comments below, but you're not gonna get it on this one. Thanks for watching today's video. Make sure you hit that like and that subscribe button. Make sure to follow my Instagram. Broden_86, and I'll have Rowan's link, which he helped the most with the build today, and Aiden. So I'll have their Instagrams linked if you want to go follow them. Be like nice because they made this video happen. Go ahead and follow them. So thanks for watching. I'll see y'all.